Hello guys, in this video we will talk about enums, PHP enums in Laravel with one practical example from a package, Laravel Pay Pocket, which we have reviewed on this channel for a few videos already. That package contains this enum file for wallet enums, which is kind of hard-coded inside of the package, but you may publish it in your project while using Laravel package, and then in your project it looks like this. So you may define your own wallet types, overriding the default ones from the package. But this is a good example even within the package of using enums and adding one more function to the default enum behavior. So the goal is in the database to define wallets, virtual wallets for users with types. And type is a string in the database on a database level, but in the model of the package, models wallet, it is defined as wallet enums here as a property and then cast to that enum. And then what it allows us to do is to work with those wallet types using the enum functionality. So if we take a look at that wallet enums usage all over the package, and GitHub will show you that we have 9 references. So we've seen already the one in the model, so we cast to that enum. But then in a few traits we have, for example, wallet enums cases. So cases will list all the cases of that enum and return the values in array. To be honest, I'm thinking whether there is an enum function which does the same without that array map. If you know that function, shoot in the comments below. But I have a suspicion that this function is not necessary. Okay, let's go to other usages. Has wallet. There's a function called try from. Here's the documentation of PHP, the default documentation of that try from. Here's the enum example, and if you try from value, it will return that specific case. So we're getting the specific wallet type and then query the database for wallets of that type. Another example of using something from that enum class is valid, which is a function that you can define on top of enum behavior, the default enum behavior. As you've seen already, it's a check whether certain string is valid in that enum. And then you can call that is valid from wherever in your project. And then of course in other parts of your projects you may call cases like this to iterate through various cases of those enum values, which is in my case in Laravel project, these ones. So yeah, a simple but pretty practical example of enums, which means that you have a string in your database, but you have additional rules of the values that are stable and in most cases will not change ever. This is instead of having foreign key to a separate table in the database, which is more convenient if you have changeable values, like more wallet types would be added quite often. But in case it is rarely changed or never changed, enum may be a better solution. What do you think? Have you used enums in this or similar ways in your projects? Let's discuss in the comments below. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.